What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video, and today we have an unboxing of the brand new Pitaka iPhone 10 case. So this is a great case that Pitaka sent out to me for review. If I wasn't interested, obviously I wouldn't pick up this phone, but when I saw that it had the magnetic back, which is the thing that you use to put in the car, it's basically a dock. So if you're driving and you want to use GPS, you could just stick your phone onto it, and I think that was really cool, and that was something that I wanted. So that's one of the main things that caught my attention. I've worked with Pitaka in the past, and trust me, the products are great. I'm not paid to make this review or anything, they just sent it out to me. I did one for the iPhone 8 Plus a while back, but yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into it. Just look at the back right here. So as you can see, it says that it's the thinnest protective case. The metal plates are embedded. As you can see, it has the magnetic mount for the car, wireless charging friendly. We'll test out everything. I also have my wireless charger here, so we'll test that out afterwards. So yes guys, the packaging is amazing. Trust me on that one, A1 packaging right here. So let's open up this thing and see what we get. So you have this at the pull tab right here, I'm assuming. Yep. All right. Okay. You're greeted with the case. First thing first. Oh, sorry, my bad. We have a string right here. We have a string right here. Okay, elegant. I see you. Wow, nice. Okay, cool. Let's put the case to the side. Let's see if we get anything else in here. Nope, it's just like a foam pad. Nice packaging, to be honest. I like it. My Apple Watch is telling me it's time for bed. Can you believe that? Don't tell me it's time for bed. It's cool. Oh wow, so we have something inside here as well. Tempered glass screen protector. Wow, that's crazy. So we also have a thank you card. Nice. We got a thank you card from Pitaka. Nice, 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 nice. All right, let's check out the screen protector, guys. I already have a screen protector on, but that's crazy. We also have a free screen protector, guys. So let's see. So this is a tempered glass screen protector, detectable touch, high penetration rate, so that means your finger and the glass is not gonna separate you from the screen. You can see that it's scratch resistant. Whoa. So it also has an instruction manual on how to install the screen protector. We also get a cleaning cloth and wipes and sticky dust stickers. That's cool though that they gave you a screen protector. Not every company does that. So here's the screen protector, guys. It's pretty thick, to be honest. Take a look. It's tempered glass. Pretty cool. I like that. So I'm just put this back, guys. I'm not gonna use it now. I'm gonna save that for when mine breaks. Guys, I have this Spigen screen protector on since I got this phone and it's still working. So, I mean, I'm not saying don't buy Pitaka. I'm just saying Spigen is a great company. But okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna try the case on right now. Here's another look at the case. It's bulletproof, that's what they said. It's made of some great materials. It feels nice though. It feels really great in the hand. No homo. But yeah, it feels nice. You can see that it's very thin. It's not that protective on the screen end. I think these cases are mostly for scratches. It's hardly bendable. I feel like if I tried to bend it too much, it would break because of the magnetic part inside. So yeah, let's snap this onto the case, see what it looks like onto the phone. Okay, cool. So there we go, guys. We have open cutouts for everywhere. So the top, open cutout. Power button, open cutout. The sides, open cutout. And the speaker grills and the charger is open cutout. They said it's wireless charging free, so let's try that out. Wireless charging on deck. Let's try it again. Okay, so no issues with wireless charging. So yeah, so far guys, this case is awesome. That was just a quick unboxing video showing you guys the case, how it looks, how it feels. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll have links down below if you want to purchase one of these kits. Did I say it feels good? Whoa, it feels, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like carbon fiber, like, I don't know, it's not slippery, it's not too smooth, it's just a nice feel. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, links down below. Quick look, we have a lip for the camera. Nice, I like that. A lip for the camera, so if you put your cameras down, it won't get scratched. There's not really any much lip for the screen, so I guess that's why they added a screen protector, so make sure you put on your screen protector because there's not much lip for the screen. But that's about it for this video, guys. As I said before, I love this case. Quick unboxing, just showing you guys what it is. Further down the line, as usual with my case reviews, I always make a video next talking about the durability, did it hold up and everything, so watch out for that video. But yes guys, without any further ado, drop a like down below. If you're new, subscribe, and always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.